Alright, got a lot accomplished this weekend. Think about got this thing knocked out. How's that for a bed? Pretty comfy and pretty roomy too. Might not look like it, but it is. So what I've got going on here, look over here if you can see it. I got 3 outlets that you can use to charge phones or whatever. And that runs off the truck battery. What this mattress, what it is, I got a 3-inch memory foam, and then of course 1/2-inch plywood that we carpeted. Really comfortable up there. But anyway, looking down below, I don't know how well you can see everything, but I installed a marine battery that's going to run down here. Hope you can see this. Hang on, let me get some better light. Okay, that's a 1500 watt continuous power inverter. That'll run just about any microwave or television that I want to plug in. And again, this does not run off the truck battery. This is going to run off of this heavy-duty marine battery. Okay, once again, got space for all kinds of storage down here, or you can actually take all of that out and put another memory foam mattress in there, and somebody else could sleep in there. And again, Bedslide slides out, so got all kinds of possibilities. I'll include a picture at the end of something pretty cool. But it's coming along, just about through.